Hey guys, what's up? My name is Alicia Williams. I'm a YouTuber and I'm from Houston, Texas. And today I am with Walmart's How We Home series to show you guys how to transform your porch and your front door into a beautiful fall scenery. So who's ready to decorate for fall? I know I love decorating for fall. I'm a fall baby myself, so I'm super excited to show you guys how to transform your porch and bring in beautiful colors, beautiful florals, pumpkins, hay, the whole shebang, and really bring your porch up a notch. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and get decorating. So a wreath is definitely a must-have fall decor item to add to your porch. It can transform and brighten up even the simplest front doors. I know Walmart has so many pre-made options for you guys. So if you are more of a pre-made wreath kind of person, they have those options. But if you're more of a DIY, they also have the options of buying your own supplies and creating your own custom unique wreath that really fits you and your home. And my favorite part about wreaths is that you can easily hang your wreath up with a simple door hanger. So no skills required at all. Just pop your wreath on a simple door hanger and voila, you've already made a statement for your porch. Everyone needs a mat. It's the simplest and easiest way to transform your porch for the fall. So go grab a mat, layer it with a rug, and you've easily transformed your porch for a fun, warm vibe. So this is where it gets fun. We get to play around with items that we may have found in our home or even picked up at our local Walmart to really get creative and make our porch feel even more like fall. So we have crates, straw, burlap, and of course our hay. The hay really takes me back to the days where I would take trips to the pumpkin farms, and it just really creates that warm fall feeling. So I love to play around and place these items all around the porch. And of course, I love to layer and just create some depth and dimension with the hay to take up some space because of course, the more fall decor, the better. All right, you guys, so let's finish off our porch by adding in our pumpkins. We cannot talk about fall and fall decor without placing pumpkins all over our porch. It's my favorite way to really bring in those fall cozy vibes. I love to get creative with it and try different pumpkin sizes, different colored pumpkins, and just really make it my own. And also, do not forget, there are great options for fake pumpkins that last all year round and are easy to swap and switch each and every fall season. So make it your own, place your pumpkins wherever you see fit, and watch it all come together. With fall comes Halloween, and it has honestly become one of my favorite holidays over the years. So today I wanted to share with you guys some simple and easy tips and tricks to transform what we've already created into a spooky Halloween porch. So again, it's really easy and simple. You just need a couple of key items. Today we'll be swapping out our fall doormat for a Halloween doormat. We'll also be taking our pumpkins and swapping them out for some super spooky jack-o'-lanterns, as well as adding a candy bowl to add that perfect Halloween touch. Doesn't this look great, you guys? I love how everything's turned out, and it was so simple. With just a few easy steps, we were able to transform this porch into a beautiful fall scenery. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and I cannot wait to see what you all have done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to elevate your space.